Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at OKEx, found at https://www.okex.com. OKEx is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a wide range of services for trading digital assets. It provides a platform for users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. OKEx boasts a sophisticated trading interface with advanced charting tools, allowing users to execute complex trading strategies. For those new to cryptocurrency trading, OKEx also offers a simplified trading view that's easier to navigate and understand. Beyond spot trading, OKEx provides access to derivatives trading, including futures and options contracts. This allows experienced traders to leverage their positions and potentially amplify their profits or losses. It's important to remember that derivatives trading carries significant risk and requires a deep understanding of the market. OKEx also offers a staking service, enabling users to earn passive income on their cryptocurrency holdings by locking them up for a specified period. The platform supports various cryptocurrencies for staking, each with its own set of rewards and lock-up periods. Security is a top priority for OKEx, employing multiple layers of protection to safeguard user funds. These measures include two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of user assets, and regular security audits. OKEx also offers a comprehensive help center and customer support services to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. The platform strives to provide a seamless user experience, from account creation to trading and managing assets. OKEx is constantly evolving, adding new features and functionalities to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly changing cryptocurrency landscape. They are committed to providing a robust and secure platform for users to engage with the world of digital assets. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive cryptocurrency exchange with a wide range of services, be sure to check out OKEx at https://www.okex.com. Remember to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency.